Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Smoking Hot. I'm Brian and I'm smoking hot. If you like having a good time and you like good food and you want to learn a little bit about cooking while having a good time, maybe an adult beverage, you're in the right place. Today we are going to be working with a Korean longboard. We're going to be working with the Korean BBQ sauce, and this is an entire series that we're doing with different barbecue sauces for the main event. You say, Brian, what's the main event? The main event is we're going to go ahead and do some ribs. I'm going to be putting and slathering it on there, show you how to make the ribs, and we're going to put them in the Traeger, and then I'm going to have the judges come and try them in front of you and kind of give you an idea what to think. There's a special treat involved, and I'll let you know about that. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe now. Ring the bell so you don't miss anything. Follow along. We're going to have some fun cooking. We're going to have a couple of drinks. I'm sliding over there right now. And right now, Korean barbecue sauce. Let's make it.